In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make a 3D game in GameMaker Studio 2. Now, before I start talking about this, I want to make it very clear. You might be aware that GameMaker Studio 2 is primarily known for 2D game development. However, it actually does offer some limited 3D capabilities. The problem is that this is really advanced to do. GameMaker Studio is going to do very little for you. Most of the code and all of the aspects such as lighting, the 3D geometry, the objects and such will have to be done by you. Because of this, if you aren't comfortable with general coding or other game engines, I wouldn't recommend doing this, and you will have to follow a lot of instructions. Another thing that I need to make clear is that for a video of this nature, it is simply impossible for me to cover everything on how to make a basic 3D game, but I'm still gonna go over an overview and a list of things that you have to know about it. So first, understand the limitations and be aware that it is best suited for 2.5D games, where you are going to have something like a sprite interacting with 3D elements or very simple 3D scenes. To start, you need to set up your project and enable the 3D viewport in the Room editor. Once you have the 3D viewport open, you need to create 3D objects. So you can import 3D objects in the OBJ object or the .fbx formats. GameMaker Studio has limited built-in 3D modeling tools, so it is best if you do the 3D modeling elsewhere and you import them here. For more complex 3D graphics, you will need to work with vertex buffers directly. Next, you need to add a camera object. You can position these cameras for separate objects, and you can control the position, rotation, and zoom. You need to do draw events to make sure that the 3D objects appear, and basic 3D interactions like collision detection, lighting, and other advanced techniques like shaders and physics engines. Sadly, like I said, because of this video, I simply cannot cover everything, but there are some examples of code. So you will have something like this, where you will be able to create an event and draw an event using vertexes. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a 3D game in GameMaker Studio 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.